bike maintenance. So yeah, I've been riding the bikes pretty steady for the past 4 months or whatever, but decided to do some maintenance on it because when I came down, check this out. All right, okay, when I came down to look at the bikes the other day after I got back from riding, I saw this on the floor. Hey, what's that? And then I was like, I looked up, and then I saw that. I'm like, hey, it looks like my counter shaft seal is failing, but that's okay because I got another one to replace it. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take this bike. Oh, I'm not done. There's more maintenance to do too. So yeah, we're gonna do that, and then we're also going to do the gear oil on this one, and then on this one we're going to do just an oil change. And then I noticed also the last time I went riding, I don't know if you can tell, but the plastic right here has pulled away from the tank. The supports on the inside of this have broken off, so this just bulges out. So I got a new plastic, so I'm going to put new plastics on the right and the left. And I just got the Acerbis ones, these guys right here. So I'm going to slap those guys on because yeah, what broke is that part right there broke out, and that hooks into the side of the gas tank. So enough of that. But before we do any of that, I'm going to wheel these things outside and then give them a little spray. So we're starting out. We're gonna have to warm the bike up and then drain the oil and then change the gear oil real quick on this guy. But what I wanted to show, this is what's leaking right here. So we'll have to, this is one with the snap ring, so snap ring and stuff. So I'll probably have to loosen up these guys and bring the tire in and get some slack on the chain, or bring the wheel in. I don't want to have to take the wheel off. I saw a guy on YouTube do it without taking the wheel off, so I'm not taking the wheel off. But yeah, we got to get that change. That I got the seal to change that, but we're going to start by doing the gear oil, and then in order to get my skid plate off, I really like the skid plate on this bike because it's just one of those like twist things. You just twist it with your hands. Yeah, like that. Boom, skid plate off. I could look better, I suppose, but no leaks. Cool. So now I'm gonna start it and warm it up so that the gear oil drains out of it a little bit easier. So this is yeah, it's got electrons. So whoop, there goes. Fuel's in, and then it is electric start, but it's a 2016, and it doesn't like to be started cold with the electric start. So we're gonna kick it. Oh, let's maybe pull the choke up. That helps. My knee hurts though, so I'm noticing. No choke. I got a thermometer right here. Well, I gotta get it warm. I might as well like put it around the yard, huh? Let's just do that. Yeah, that was fun. So we'll put her on the yard. What are we up to here? That says 105. Let it warm up a little bit more. That's warm enough. This feels like this hasn't been used in a while, so that's cool. There's nothing in here. Yep, it's totally empty. That's our guy right there we're after. Ooh, man, that seemed a little tight. I don't know how far this is going to shoot out or anything. Ooh, that's not bad. Look how dirty that shit looks though. Look at that. All the Wow, there's a lot of seems to me like a lot of metal on that. $125, 200s. Okay, all 250, 300s. 0.8 of a liter. Luckily, I've got this handy dandy thing right here. I can put exactly 0.8 of a liter in. So let's get you back on there. 14.8 foot-pounds. 177 inch-pounds. Luckily, this goes up to 200 and something, so. All right, bammo. That is in. That dog is just going to be barking over there forever. That's what I deal with. I don't know if the mic's picking that up. That dog just barks all the time. Terrible dog owners over there. So, cool. 0.8 of a liter of this stuff. And we're going to put it into that thing. Which is pretty. I mean, am I level? There, I don't need that anyway, because we're just gonna go like that, and then twist this, and oil should start to flow. Oh, cool. Yeah. So satisfying. I can increase the flow a little bit here. Oh shit. I spilled a little. I tried to get fancy and move the camera, and I looked down and my spout had come out. My spout had come out. That's it. Gear oil's changed on the 300. I recommend starting it back up to make sure there's no leaks, but we gotta do the counter shaft seal first. That is my next order of business for sure. This guy right here. All right, let's see if we can figure this thing out. I've never done one of these before. That's snap rings. So, right. Uh-oh. I lost it. We got it off, but it took off. It is totally gone. It is totally gone. Man, I saw it flick up that way. But that sucker is out of here. So, I'm gonna have to order another one because there's no way I'm finding that. That sucks. That totally sucks. We're gonna take a second right now and see if we can order one of those real quick. Hey, does this come with one? Wait a minute. I doubt it. I doubt it comes with the new snap ring. It's just the seal and the O-rings and stuff. Nope, there's a snap ring in there. There's a freaking snap ring in there. I thought I was cooked. All right, cool. I can't believe that. My greasy hands all over the white camera. That's awesome. Love it. There's my sprocket. Remember, it goes on like that. Everything in here is soaking wet with oil. Oh, look at that. And the gear oil that I put in there is now leaking out. So that's cool. We'll have to top the gear oil off. So that's just gonna leak. I can't do anything about that right now, but let's clean around that a little bit. Trusty dusty seal puller. There it comes. Boom. There she is. The leaky seal. So that side's got the little groove that goes in. So we want to grab our new O-ring. Here we go. And then, yeah, that's the one. Look at it, fits into that perfectly. Let's get some grease. Make sure that the side with the lip goes in. And that's where that O-ring sits up against that. Next is the actual seal itself. I think I'm gonna grease this thing up really good too. So let's get that guy out, and we're going to seal first and then the spacer. Hard in here a little bit. There we go. Yes. Come on, baby. All right. So we got it's the opening up ones is the ones we want. I don't want to lose it again, so I'm gonna let's see if I can shield it or something. I don't know. I don't want it to go flying again, man. I just want to tap it on now. Oh, there it goes. Saw that pinch in there, nice. Oh, nice. I saw that. I don't know if you noticed, it went dook. She closed in. So yeah, that's that for the 300. And like I said, I'm gonna do we'll do like a little walkthrough on this bike, because this bike's pretty sweet. 2016, but it's pretty rad. I don't know what else to say. I'm tired. Gotta work tomorrow. So.